Coach Riggs here from Mount Performance Center. Today we'll be talking about a variety of rep set schemes that we can use to help progress our athletes and kind of inch away from traditional straight sets. All right, so for the sake of this video, we're going to use an example of training for max strength. Okay, so we're looking for a total volume range of anywhere from 15 to 20 repetitions or so, again at a higher percent intensity. So the first we're going to talk about is stage descending. It looks something like this, right? The first two sets we done at, for example, 5 reps. Third and fourth sets will be done at 3 reps, and the final 5 and 6 reps sets will be done with 1 repetition. So total volume is about 18 reps, and is written as such, right? So we're doing 2 sets of 5, 2 sets of 3, and then 2 sets of 1. And our goal here is to capitalize on PAP, again, gradually increasing intensity as volume decreases, so that the preceding sets, all right, are harder, more intense. However, the nervous system's already revved up, ready to go. So that's stage descending, written as such, gradually increasing intensity very linearly while volume decreases. Now, another variation of what we call wave loading are what we call seesaws, and this is written as such. We're going 5 repetitions and we're going up intensity, decreasing volume to 2 repetitions. We're then decreasing load and going back up to 5 repetitions, and then so on and so forth, increasing intensity, decreasing volume, and et cetera, et cetera. All right, and this is written as such, okay? We're doing 6 sets, and it looks like this: 5-2, 5-2, 5-2. Now, what we're hoping to do, all right, with every series of seesaws is gradually increase the intensity than the series before. So, for example, here from this 5 to this 5, we're hoping to increase the percent by, again, about 2%. It doesn't be very major, there just wants to be some increase. And contrary as well, we want to make sure that the second 2 is a higher percent than the previous one. And this just continues up and down the series, right? Gradually hoping to increase percent by percent, series after series, again, capitalizing on PAP. All right, so that's seesaw loading. Again, total volume is about 21 repetitions or so. Again, it can be modified based on how many seesaws you wish to do with your athletes. Last set rep scheme we're going to talk about what we call plus sets. And this actually is a great way to determine an everyday training max for athletes in a safe manner. All right, so for example, our first will be done at 3, our second set will be done at 3, third set will be done at 3. So these are all straight loading. However, we're gradually increasing or ramping up the percent intensity every set until that 4th set. All right, so it'll be written as this: sets of 3, set of 3, set of 3, and then that final set's of 3 with a plus. Now, what we're hoping to do is on that 4th and final set is have our athlete go for as many repetitions as possible with their heaviest load. Again, we could be ramping up from 70% up to 80 or so percent. It could be 85, 88, depending on your athlete's ability level. And we're looking to see how many repetitions they can get with good technique. And using that new number, right, we can help calculate a new everyday training max for the following cycle. Numbers can be based off a more accurate representation of their strength progress. Again, we're hoping to stay within an additional 3 to 4 repetitions, right? So if we have a 3+, we really don't want our athlete pushing more than 6 or 7 reps. If they do, the weight is probably too light and they have more potential to give, right? After a certain point, we can't really use the numbers arbitrary anymore. So we want to kind of stay within a 3 to 4 rep range on top of their original prescribed reps. All right, so plus sets, a great method to use when talking about increasing their everyday training max, or at least testing and assessing. All right, so that's it for talking about variation of rep set scheme, guys. Thanks for tuning in again. Stage descending seesaws and plus sets are now added to your toolbox, and we can help progress your athletes better with more variation and get away from traditional straight sets.